Hi guys, welcome and welcome again to another video. Karibu sana. Yeah, in today's video it's a day in my life. Yeah, I'm going to clean. I'm also going to bake. Yeah, lastly I'll be making dinner. Yeah, that's all about today's video. Kindly stick to the end. Remember to leave a comment after watching, subscribe if you haven't, like and share this video out if you can. Yeah, in case it's your first time here, my name is Wilkista and thank you so much for stopping by. Yeah, in this channel we do homemaking videos, cooking videos and motherhood videos. Yeah, that's all about this channel. Yeah, so guys, stick and watch until the end.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Got down feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
Guys, let's start today's video. And as you can see the quality bado iko tu chini, yeah, because still natumia the broken one, ile simu, and though this time round nimetumia front camera. Yeah, for the time being guys, nifumilieni tu and just
I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. Got down feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. When off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me. You just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight.
Guys, I'm done with the dishes. As you can see, yeah, our kitchen eco clean and well organized. Yeah, so from here, guys, I'm going to like start baking, and I'm going to bake a carrot cake. Yeah, so I'm going to show you. Kindly stick to the end. Guys, let me show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. Yeah, I have 4 eggs, as you can see, vanilla essence, hizi kosa kwa keki, yeah, and the carrots, yeah, the grated one, yeah, and that's the blue band, 100 grams, yeah, I'm going to use all of it. Yeah, the other one is baking soda. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. The sugar, I'm going to use 6 teaspoons. The baking powder, 1 teaspoon, and the all-purpose flour, I'm going to use Rubies. I don't know if you have come across this flour, but I'm going to use it. This is my first time and hoping this is not going to disappoint me. So guys, let's start.
You got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? You got me thinking now, and now I'm stuck in this loop again. You got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? What would happen if I talk to you? Got a feeling that I get a clue. Would you be my Fortnite? Would you be my Fortnite? Would you be my Fortnite? You got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? You got me thinking now, and now I'm stuck in this loop again. You got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? What would happen if I talk to you? Got a feeling that I get a blue. Would you be my Fortnite? What would happen if I talk to you? Would you be my Fortnite? Got a feeling that I get a blue. You got me thinking now. Would you be my Fortnite? What would happen if I talk to you? You got me thinking now. Would you be my Fortnite? What would happen if I talk to you? Would you be my Fortnite? You got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? You got me thinking now, and now I'm stuck in this loop again. You got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? What would happen if I talk to you? Got a feeling that I get a blue. Would you be my Fortnite? Would you be my Fortnite?
Guys, while our cake inaendelea kuiva. Yeah, let me start preparing dinner. Yeah, I'm going to prepare ugali, sukuma wiki, and meat. Yeah, and I'm going to show you how to prepare sukuma wiki and meat, but ugali I'm going to prepare it off camera. Yeah, guys, if you are still watching, kindly just give this video a thumbs up if you have not. Yeah, and let's continue watching.
It got me thinking now, and I'm stuck in this loop again. It got me thinking now, should I take it or leave it out? What would happen if I talk to you? Got a feeling that I get a blue. Would you be my fortnight? What would happen if I talk to you? Would you be my fortnight? Got a feeling that I get a blue. It got me thinking now. Would you be my fortnight? What would happen if I talk to you? It got me thinking now. Would you be my fortnight? What would happen if I talk to you? Would you be my fortnight? I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. It's somewhere far beyond. Keep chasing them, and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to the right, to the blue. I slip to the right, to the I slip to the right, to the blue. I slip to the right. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. For you.
let me take this chance to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May God bless you. Hoping that 2025 is going to be a blessing year for us. Yeah, especially YouTube family. Yeah, hoping that you're going to get more viewers and subscribers. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. As you can see, our dinner iko sawa, looking yummy and so delicious. Yeah guys, that is what tumekula, and we really thank God for this food. Yeah, so thank you so much guys for watching. If at all you are still watching this video, and if you are still watching, kindly just like this video so that YouTube can recommend to many more viewers. Yeah, and the carrot cake iko ready, as you can see, looking yummy and so delicious. Yeah guys, though haikukauka vizuri and still ni moto. Yeah, that's why nimekata tu nikaacha, and it's really yummy guys, you can try it out. Carrot cake is the most delicious one. Yeah, so guys, allow me to end this video here, and let me see you on my next video yenye naenda kukua new year guys. Let's meet 2025. Yeah, so bye guys.
Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before